Did you know that some houses in Atlanta can appear at auction with starting prices as low as $3,500? But before you get excited, there's more to these properties than just the price. Let's take a look at what Atlanta's real estate auctions have to offer.
This is a buyer beware sale. Can't say that enough. Do not bid based on any photos or our descriptions that you find online or any other source. No refunds. Remember, makingdibtax.us is our website that has over 2,000 properties that are eligible for the judicial interim tax sale. Please visit makingdibtax.us, click on general information, and then judicial interim tax sale, and we'll either you can use the map or the list to find properties that you may be interested in investing in. Once again, buyer beware sale, no refunds. What we're going to do is conduct the judicial interim sale first, followed by the sheriff's deed. Sheriff's deed sale has dropped down to 2 properties, I believe. So Kendall will read those 2 addresses that will be sold by sheriff's deed today. All the rest of them have either been paid out, filed bankruptcy, or been pulled for some reason. So he'll read those 2 properties. If you don't hear the one you heard that you were here for a sheriff's deed, then feel free to go. I just don't want you to sit through the 10 judicial interims and then find out that we're not selling the one you wanted to add for the sheriff's sale. Go ahead.
2 sheriff's deed properties, 3020 Bailey Drive and 2280 McMillan Drive. 3020 Bailey Drive and 2280 McMillan Drive.
All right, I think the email that we sent out Friday had 8 or 10 properties, so that tells you how quickly they can be paid and moved on. So what we're going to do now is start with the judicial interim sale. Michael, do you have any, y'all have a sales plan?
Wednesday of October, next 26th.
Okay, right now, Michael representing the Land Bank Authority, they have a sale scheduled for the last Wednesday in October to be here as well at 11 a.m.
28.
I'm sorry?
28.
28 October here at this location at 11 a.m. They will have approximately 20 plus properties. They will have that on their website at some point in the near future if it's not already there, and then we will be sharing it as well. Go there, look at the property that they will have available. So there's 2 things about those properties. They're a continuation from our sale where no one bid, so they're opening them up for sale again. Starting bid $3,500 or $3,250. Opening bid is $3,250. Once payment is confirmed, and make sure the check is good, if you will. Once payment is confirmed, then they will be transferring a limited warranty deed to the high bidder, and it's done. Because we've done the work, they've done the work, and you get the benefit. Starting bid $3,250, and they go north from there. Anything else? Anything? All right, Kendall, let's roll.
All right, first judicial interim property is 6379 Governor McDonald Drive, tax parcel ID I-008-0084. All that tract of land lying being in land lot 244 of the 3rd Land District, Bibb County, Georgia, being known as lot 68 of the re-subdivision of lots 67 and 68, Pineworth at the Lake, Section 1. According to a plat of said subdivision made by Tamplin and Sherrill Incorporated dated July 13, 1974, and recorded in Plat Book 57, Folio 65, Clerk's Office, Bibb Superior Court. This is a portion of the property conveyed in deed dated September 29, 2014, recorded in deed book 9331, page 110, Superior Court Clerk's Office, Bibb County, Georgia deed records. Again, 6379 Governor McDonald Drive. Taxes and fees due, minimum bid, $52,028.86.
All right, 6379 Governor McDonald Boulevard. 6379 Governor McDonald Boulevard. If you're interested in 6379 Governor McDonald Boulevard for this judicial interim sale, please step into the circle. Got open bid of $52,028.86, looking for $55,000. I got $52,028.86, looking for $55,000. I got $52,028.86, looking for $55,000. I got $52,028.86, looking for $55,000. $52,028.86 going once. $52,028.86 going twice. $52,028.86 going third and final time. Do I have any other bids and sold?
Okay, our next property is 902 Stephen Foster Lane, tax parcel ID I-006-1223. All of that tract across the land line being in Benton County, Georgia, and designated as Lot 125, Unit 4, Lake Wildwood, according to a plat recorded in Plat Book 47, pages 91 to 96, Clerk's Office, Bid Superior Court. Deed reference is Deed Book 1643, page 52. Again, this is 902 Stephen Foster Lane, taxes and fees due, minimum bid $4,215.74.
902 Stephen Foster Lane. If you're interested in 902 Stephen Foster Lane, step into the circle. 902 Stephen Foster Lane. Got open bid of I was about to say $42,000. $4,215.74, looking for $5,000. I got $42,15.74, looking for $5,000. I got $42,15.74, looking for $5,000. I got $4,215.74 going once. $4,215.74 going twice. $4,215.74 going third and final time. Do I have any other bids and sold?
All right, our next property is 974 Tolliver Place, tax parcel ID N0410016. All that tract across the land line being in land lot 328 of the 13th District of Bibb County, Georgia, and being lot 3 of the Daisy Mae Tolliver Adams et al. Subdivision, as per plat recorded in Plat Book 52, page 104, Bibb County, Georgia records. Being the same property containing 2.39 acres conveyed in deed of division recorded at deed book 1200, page 320, Bibb County, Georgia records. This is the same property conveyed in deed dated December 8, 2022, recorded in deed book 11577, page 328, Superior Court Clerk's Office, Bibb County, Georgia deed records. Again, this is 974 Tolliver Place, taxes and fees due, minimum bid $7,213.32.
974 Tolliver Place. If you're interested in 974 Tolliver Place, step into the circle. 974 Tolliver Place. Got open bid of $7,213.32, looking for $8,000. I got $72,1332, looking for $8,000. I got $7,213.32, looking for $8,000. I got $8,000 looking for $9,000, $8,000 looking for $9,000, $8 looking for $9,000. I got $8,000 looking for $9,000, $8 looking for $9,000. I got $8,000 going once, $8,000 going twice, $8,000 going third and final time. Do I have any other bids and sold? Come on up, sir.
All right, our next property is 4106 Mercer University Drive.
Want to discover more Atlanta real estate deals and opportunities? Follow Keys and Dollars ATL for more.